Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to make semolina sweet, or you can say sooji ka halwa. So let's get started. Add some oil in a pan. After it become a little bit hot, then add 1 cup of semolina or 1 cup of sooji in it. Cook it until it become light brown in color. Take 1 pinch of color in a cup and 2 tablespoons of water in it and mix it well. This color will add it in semolina sweet. It is becoming brown. Add some water in it and mix it well. Now add half cup of sugar in it. Mix it and then leave it on low flame for 5 minutes. Mix it once again. Now add some raisins and dates in it. Raisins and dates are very beneficial for your health. Raisins are full of iron, which prevents you from the disease of anemia, which is deficiency of blood. Raisins also prevent you from the disease of cancer. If we talk about the benefits of dates, then dates promotes healthy nervous system and it also strengthens the bones. Now add color in the sweet and mix it. Leave it for 5 minutes on low flame. Don't forget to like this video. Put some raisins and dates on the sweet for garnishing. This is the final look. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it. So let's taste it. So this will be the texture of the sweet. Now let's taste it. It's really delicious. Have a great day. Bye.